going on, guys? My name's Tim with Poisoned Studios, and I'm filming for Supercar Driven today. This here is the McLaren MP412, and formerly owned by DDE. And fun fact is, I filmed this car for Dayman Dave way back then when they owned it up in Canada. So today, as you can see, if you look at this whole row of cars, all of this here is what we brought out today. We brought out 6 cars. The Audi R8 V10, you can kind of see right now, and that's previously owned by TJ Hunt. The GTR, then the McLaren, which is what I drove today. Over here is the C8 Corvette, the Supra Liberty Walk, not Liberty Walk, white body Supra from Filthy, and then Michael's 720S up there. So today's video is more of a behind the scenes content where we show you behind the scenes of what we film and how we film it, and just the interactions with all of our friends and whatnot. If you want to see more of this BTS content, comment below and tell us if you want to see this footage on Poisoned or on a separate personal channel. With that, let's look around.
They don't mess around with classes.
2 years
they are
ago,
classes.
we put a deposit down for their first, get a little bit of time to talk to Steve today.
Okay, so we just got done filming the Celine S7. We've walked around, filmed so many cars today, and done many B-roll with Michael, Chris, and vlogs. So something you might notice when filming heavily populated car shows is lots of people just walk all over, which means sometimes they get too focused on the car, or they don't see you taking a video, and you got to retake your shot. Like some of the shots you'll see in today's video took us many attempts, but it is what it is at a car show sometimes.
Celine thing. We don't want you guys, before we go on, get the picture right there. So yeah, drive.
What's going on, Poison fam? I hope you enjoyed today's behind the scenes video with Supercar Driven and all the B-roll we've been taking for them. Here's a car that we all know I love, if you know my RWB videos. This is a Porsche 911 993, and these are the cars that the Kaizen turns into more, even more art than this already is. Like literally, like shoot.